Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SE Blacktop in granite crystal metallic. With black headlamp bezels, gloss black grille, 17-inch aluminum wheels, body color exterior mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 37,000 miles on the odometer, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, audio jack input for mobile devices, second and third row stow and go, second row overhead DVD console, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 50868.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.